No, you cannot. Now, we have a wind advisory still in place for western New York. Until 1 in the morning, winds are dying down, but still quite strong. And even for northern Pennsylvania, that lasts a little bit longer through 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. The current wind gusts, 25 miles per hour in Buffalo, 36 for Dunkirk, and one of the highest now, Bradford and Wellsville, both at 38-mile-an-hour gusts. Into our Wednesday night, we are going to watch these winds die down a bit more. Still breezy. We'll have about 20-mile-an-hour gusts into the overnight as we get rid of the advisory. And our temperatures are dropping further too. 43 right now. The winds, the sustained winds, have dropped out of the 20s, so about 10 to 15 mile per hour winds. And what we're going to see into the overnight tonight is continuing with off and on rain showers, the connections to the Georgian Bay, and looking at where we have some of those showers now, heavier as you get towards Rochester. There is some changing over to some snow off of the upper lakes too, and what we can find into our overnight is the potential to see it across the higher elevations of the southern tier. Not going to really stick to the ground at all, but if you're in a certain spot and start to see a little bit of a changeover happen, well, you're cold enough to do so and at a high enough elevation. 37 degrees for tonight, and those northwest winds around 10 to 20 miles an hour. Again, some gusts will be right around there. And if you're outside of some of that lake effect, you'll be able to see the full super moon. It was full early this morning, and it's the beaver moon. It's the closest of the 3 super moons of the year, so it will look a little bit brighter and a little bit bigger. Of course, that's just not the case. It's just the way that it's going around the earth here. Now, looking at our hour-by-hour forecast, higher elevations, snow showers. For the rest of our Thursday, we dry things out. We'll call it partly sunny. We'll start with clouds on Friday, and then for Friday afternoon, right around the noon hour, we have rain come in and some gustier winds. Does that kind of sound familiar? Every other day, this is what we're dealing with. So another clipper comes on by. We're going to deal with rain showers and also gusty winds. Not as strong as today, however. And looking at our Thursday forecast, before we get to that next bout of rain, it is going to be pretty decent. We're in the mid and upper 40s. We'll have lighter winds, again, partly sunny skies after some of those early flakes south of Buffalo. Our forecast is going to take us into the 50s for our Friday before that rain arrives. We're close to 50 into the weekend. Rain showers, rain changing into snow, and the chance for lake effect snow into early next week. This is how it happens. We have that front pass by on Friday, and into Saturday there is some lake response there, but in the form of rain. That changeover to snow happens, and from Monday morning into Tuesday, just colder air really sets in, and the chance of lake effect is there.